How to change the oil and drain the gas. The video content is structured in 2 parts. You will need the following tools before starting. Drain the engine oil. Remove the oil cap. Unscrew the oil drain plug counterclockwise. Tilt the machine to fully drain the engine oil. After draining the oil, place the machine horizontally and tighten the oil drain plug clockwise. Reinstall the oil cap to its original position. Oil draining is complete. Drain the gasoline. Use a Phillips screwdriver to loosen the 2 screws on the side cover counterclockwise, and remove the cover. Locate the drain hose connected to the carburetor drain screw. Use a 5 mm flathead screwdriver to loosen the drain screw counterclockwise. Drain the gasoline completely into a suitable container. After draining, tighten the drain screw clockwise. Reinstall the cover, and tighten the 2 screws clockwise. Gasoline draining is complete.